In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make blues music in Suno AI. We'll start in your browser by heading to Google. Before we jump into Suno, it helps to craft a strong style prompt because that single paragraph tells the AI exactly what sound you want. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open the official website. In the chat box, write a request that clearly defines the mood, tempo, and key instruments so the vibe is unmistakable. For example, generate a blues prompt with a soulful, melancholic mood, raw and emotional vibe, 90 BPM, raspy male vocals, electric guitar riffs, harmonica, and steady drums. Submit your request and give it a moment. When you see a prompt you like, highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. Now head over to Suno and select Create. In the Styles field, paste the style prompt you just copied. This gives Suno a precise target, from groove to instrumentation, so it can shape the track like a classic blues performance with the character you described. A clear prompt prevents generic results and helps the model capture that smoky, late-night feel. Next, let's generate lyrics. We'll use ChatGPT again, because a focused lyric anchors the melody and performance. Back in ChatGPT, type a specific request such as, write original lyrics for a blues song about hope in dark times, matching the genre. Submit and wait for the response. You can change the subject to fit your story. Just keep the language simple, imagery rich, and emotional. Blues lyrics often balance struggle and resilience, so verses, a repeating chorus, and vivid details work well. When the lyrics appear, highlight all of them and copy. Return to Suno. Find the lyrics box and paste your text there. Pairing a tight style prompt with cohesive lyrics helps the AI deliver a performance that feels intentional rather than random. Double check for line breaks and punctuation so phrasing is natural. When everything looks good, click Create and let Suno generate your music. This can take a little time, so be patient while the audio renders. Once your track is ready, listen from start to finish and note what worked. Is the tempo steady? Are the vocals expressive? And does the harmonica sit well with the guitar? If the mood isn't quite right, revise your style prompt, tweak the tempo, swap mood words, or highlight different instruments, and try again. If the story needs clarity, refine the lyrics and regenerate. That's the workflow. Craft the style prompt, paste it into Suno, generate lyrics, paste them in, and create. Enjoy making your own blues in Suno AI.